Like, it's insane. You can literally be anybody you want and sell anything, and it's just complete game changer.
Without filming, without having the product, without doing anything.
I've never gotten like 10K per mil before in my life. I'm getting 10 to 50K per mil.
We saw so many people doing like 25 or 30K per million. We are able to post 50 videos per day right now.
Some random kid from India can now make that. I don't make videos myself anymore. Yeah, you're literally going to be left behind.
I don't know why no one is talking about this right now, but there's a new way to start dropshipping in 2025 and 6, which is the easiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I was actually not even sure if I should reveal this strategy on YouTube or should just gatekeep it, but this video right here has 500,000 views on TikTok and it made $15,000, which is $30,000 per million views. To anyone who knows organic, this is absurd. This is ridiculous. Nothing in this video was filmed.
Number one food to lower your cortisol is not turmeric, it's not ginger, and it's definitely not blueberries.
It was 100% generated with AI, and it takes under 20 minutes to make. I'm gonna show you how to create videos like this, but before, let me actually explain to you the full strategy, because it's not just TikTok organic dropshipping as you think of it. Basically, for those who don't know, TikTok Shop is an in-app store, which is made by TikTok, and has 3-day shipping times for everyone who purchases. Every video you see, which has this little yellow button, you can just press on that, click on Add to Cart, double tap your phone for Apple Pay, and then you instantly bought the product already. You don't have to go to Shopify, you don't go anywhere, you stay on the app, you bought it on the app, and that's it. And that's why TikTok promotes videos which promote their shop, because obviously they make money from the shop. The very first thing you do is you go on TikTok and find a TikTok shop brand that actually sells a good product. Then you create these AI generated videos which just take 20 minutes to make, and you actually post them on your TikTok account. And then the brand will actually pay you around 30% of the sales you make for them as an affiliate. Now on paper, that sounds really bad because you do all of the work, you do all the content, all the marketing, and you only get 30%. But hear me out here. There's a reason why this is significantly better right now than just creating your own brand and doing everything yourself. Let me compare a good organic dropshipping video you do for yourself with a TikTok shop affiliate video. Let's say you make a video, you go viral, you get 2 million views, and you convert $2,000 per million views. Very realistic numbers with organic dropshipping. So the total amount of money you made is $4,000 from 2 million views. Around 50% of that is profit. You make $2,000 and keep all of it. It is your brand, you keep 100% of everything, so around 50% of the revenue is your profit that you keep. Now let's change the scenario. You are an affiliate for a brand on TikTok Shop. You only get 30% commission, but you get the same exact amount of views. Exactly like you went viral organically for your own brand, you get the same 2 million views for the other brand. Because people can purchase so much easier on TikTok than through a link in the bio to Shopify, so on TikTok Shop, the money made per million views is anywhere between $10,000 and $50,000, which is just basically impossible with organic. The same exact 2 million views make $60,000 in sales, and you get 30% of 60,000, which is 20,000 instead of 4,000 organically. Now here's the crazy thing. These 30% are pure profit, so you can't compare the commission to organic sales. You have to compare the organic profit, which is 50% of your 4,000, which is 2,000, to the commission, because commission is pure profit. This means you made 10 times more for the same exact amount of views. And the craziest thing about it is, it's not harder to go viral, it's easier to go viral. It's easier to get 2 million views on TikTok Shop right now in comparison to organically. And the reason for that, especially in the EU, TikTok pushes your videos just because you have a TikTok Shop link in it. So if you have a video which links a TikTok Shop product, your video gets boosted because TikTok wants all the sales, which is insane. All right, so it's easier to go viral. You make more money per million views, which is just absurd. And 2 million views on TikTok Shop are literally worth 20 million views organically, which is so much more difficult to get. Now, on top of that, here's where it gets crazy. The AI content style works significantly better on TikTok Shop, which just makes it superior by itself. Because with AI, you don't have to go out and film anything. You can literally just sit in front of your laptop and just script and edit videos all day and let AI generate it all for you. And that's it. And what that basically means is that you can make videos faster. It takes 20 to 30 minutes to make an entire AI video. Posting 20 of TikTok Shop affiliate videos per day is very realistic. With organic, you can do it as well, but it's significantly harder because you actually have to film. And the cool thing about affiliate is you have all the training ground. You basically know how to go viral. You learn the entire thing, and then you just apply it onto your own brand later when you build up cash in the bank and you actually become more advanced. And by the way, I am making millions of dollars per month right now as we speak on Facebook ads. And we've seen that TikTok Shop videos convert like crazy as Facebook ads. So what you can do when you build up your own shop brand later on, you have a shop brand which gets a bunch of traffic from TikTok Shop itself and the creators and the affiliates, etc. And then you can sell the same exact product with Facebook ads on a Shopify store and double convert, because all the affiliates basically make all the content for you, which you can just copy and paste onto your Facebook ads, and then you crush. A lot of our top performing Facebook creatives right now are TikTok Shop videos, which were just copy and pasted from our creators in there. So it actually does work. And all of these things are the exact reasons why we're tripling down on TikTok Shop and affiliate. AI content will replace everything. It's very obvious what the trend is, in which direction we're going, and how good it's going to become over the next 3 years. We're doing nothing else right now than studying AI in and out. We've seen that the best results you can get learning AI is on TikTok Shop affiliate. And this is why I know for a fact this is the best industry to be in 2025, 2026, 2027. So what we did for people in our mentorship program, before with regular dropshipping, you basically had to do your own product research. You had to figure out what a good product is, what a bad product is. Right now, what we did is we have scouted the entire TikTok Shop marketplace and found the best possible products, which are the easiest to sell. We negotiated brand deals with these brands and basically give everyone in our mentorship program access to these brands. So in the program, we will hand you winning products. And on top of that, just by being in our mentorship program, you will get higher commissions than anyone else in the market, because we have negotiating power with these brands, because we send them a bunch of creators versus you just going to them by yourself. Now, the fact that we just hand you winning products is ridiculous. We've never done this before. I feel weird doing it. It just actually feels not right. But it is what it is, and the results we've been getting are insane. We have people like Pepe who makes hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month with AI content. We have Diab, who in the very first month generated $70,000 with purely AI content. We have Mikey starting to crush with it. Costify has his own whole store and made $50,000 last month with that. It's just ridiculous how crazy this opportunity is, because of the conversions, because of the brand deals we negotiate, because we hand you winning products, and because it is actually easy. We will teach you exactly how you can generate actual good AI content, and your job will be generating this content the whole day. Don't do anything else than generate videos with AI. And because especially in Europe, TikTok Shop is just rolling out in new countries, they gift you views if you make good content. If you make good content, they literally hand you views for free. In the US, it's not the case anymore. But basically what they do every time they roll out TikTok Shop in a new country is they want to artificially boost the sales of TikTok Shop by just gifting you views if you do decent content. So with us, we will show you exactly how to make good content, and on top of that, we'll negotiate so you instantly have the best brand deals. This is ridiculous. Click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to speak to you in a one-on-one call.